Good morning to my lecturer. Uh, Today I'm going to present about Malaysian green buildings. The building that I chose is Tun Razak Exchange Tower TRX. My name is Jonas Madi. My metric number is 01, the SB 19F1018. From class the SB 3A. So let's start with introduction. Introduction. It was built in 1983 and demolished in 2014. When it was demolished, it was the tallest building in Malaysia ever to be demolished, and is benchmarked against similar buildings in large international finance centers such as London Canary Wharf and the Standard New York Freedom Tower and the Shanghai IFC. As of October 2019, about 0.5 million square feet of 4,056,000 square meter of exchange 106 floor spaces has been taken up by large tenants, including the top 5 Fortune 500 global consulting firms and some of the world's most recognized e-commerce platform. The building description or the building inside in interior, the 95 floor building is topped with 65 meter or 213 feet. That is 12 stories built high, illuminated crown making in 445 meter, 1,600 feet tall. The tower will have a net level area of 2.6 million square feet, 240 square meter included commercial official building, urban resident, term brand name shopping malls and boutique hotels, incorporated, and cultures and leisure faculties are in balance. About this building, the sustainable technologies that been used is a solid sustainability infrastructure. It was most of the development today to attract world-class business as a green credential have increasingly become necessary corporate requirement for multinational corporate or call it MNCs. It has pre-cooling technologies that is incorporated in a air handling unit that is AHU, replacing the existing supply fans for better indoors and outdoors heat transfer. Tun Razak Exchange or TRX building is investing in a green facilities, convert water waste management, energy and cooling utensils, digital infrastructures and public spaces to create truly sustainable international financial district. Meet the sustainable requirement. That the requirement level that TRX has is a part of having a building that need to be meet requirement level of sustainability. Large infrastructure outqualified or outfitted as at the district level will allow a business or residents to be greener. TRX building sustainability aspired are in line with the AM of KLCC plan that is in 2020, a blueprint for achieving a world-class city status. TRX building has received provisionally LEED recognition for neighborhood development at a gold and GBI Township Platinum certificate based on the master plan. Next was the water consumption. To reduce potable water consumption by half. It also has signed a 20 years consensual agreement with Vela Water Technologies Southeast Asia for wastewater treatment and recycled water supply. Veolion is a technology estimated to recover more than 80% of the water waste with a plant that will be 3 times smaller than a conventional water treatment plant. It can remove over 95% of the pollutants that is in the water with a peak capacity of treatment that is 553 meter square water waste per hour. Next is the recycled water by plant. The recycled water produced by the plant will be channeled back to the toilet flushing, district cooling usage, and landscape upkeeping, reducing the district demands for potable water by more than 50%. The water treatment plant will be designed to blend with or when with the district facade and will operate under the negative pressure and use on orderly remove technology that eliminate foul smell. Next is Luscious Urban Park. A pedestrian-friendly development, TRX is designed to be a limited vehicles at the ground level, prioritizing the walking over the driving. With 2 MRT lines passing through the TRX interchange station, more than half of the daily arrival to the districts expected to be via MRT. 8 central urban parks which are connected that variously quarters of the district will be power via jewel in the crown. The involves aspects such as the pavement, various type of plant populating the park and lighting as a way of holding the entire project together through its open space. Uh, the next is cooling system. About the cooling system, where the supply of what energy of air conditioning will be produced by the centralized plant and distributed via pipelines to user locations. The TRX district's cooling system will be offered to a commercial tent. Cooling offers significantly more energy efficient air conditioning water compared to with an individual air conditioning system that is cutting energy usage by up to third. And next is diamond building. It is a word. Diamond building in Putrajaya features a large central atrium complete with a automatic roller blind system. The system responds automatically to the intensity and the angles of indecent sunlight, allowed just that the right amount of sunlight in. The building is inverted pyramids design while aesthetically pleasing also provide maximum surface exposure, enables ample sunlight catchment through the facade's glass cascading, energy efficiency that is time 5 fluorescent lamps are used throughout the mall multi-level car park instead of the conventional T8 lamps. Every efficient annual EBI or building energy index of the 300 kilowatts per meter square significantly figures that the average of 450 kilowatts to kilowatt meter square to commercial building in Malaysia. And the great achievement about TRX is the first development in Malaysia to achieve both conventional GBI Platinum townships and LED from US Neighborhood Development of Gold certificate. For its overall master plan, cutting-edge technology will be adopted to ensure the maximum lighting efficiency among the other sustainability plans and in the future iconic financial hub of the Kuala Lumpur. Challenges that the face of TRX is this 74 HA mix up to development to razak exchange aim to be the new set standards for sustainable future focused smart city districts. Bro has uploaded and have been working on the design development since 2011 with a broad involvement that's encompass infrastructure, master planning, the design and procurement of the district's premier infrastructure and public realm design. A variety of specialized services are also being provided such as pedestrian flow, ICT, design, digital service and security design. Solution of the problem. This is sustainable framework development are part of NED certificate process that has guided the design of many elements of TRX resilience master plan. Bureau has have the LED process from feasibility to procurement, and now the appointment of Valeo are construction to deliver the first non-subsidized urban wastewater treatment facility in the region. This will deliver the subsidized recycled water within the site and commercial returns to TRX. By the locationing the highway that cross TRX site underground where the connection direct to basement car park, the building can interface direct with the public ramp at the ground floor and city park level. This enables the creation of the activities street footage with lively retail space and immediately access to light and air reception areas. This is the plan of the TRX neighborhood. The building value identified as the Apolloneum in terms of service provider which contribute to the total sustainability pictures. Our master plan has achieved LED stage 2 golden accreditation at the platinum status for the Malaysian Green Building Index Township certification. Follow as the series of the workshop will determine the follows range of the client's needs and aspiration. We conduct the market studies as uncertainties with technologies solutions should or could be supported as a worldwide leading resilient and sustainable financial district. The efficiencies of the security system will be increased by the biometric sensor and real-time video analytics software that can automatically identify the suspicious pattern of behavior. Lastly, move towards the better achievement in the Malaysia sustainability development. That's only for me.